We get asked all the time, what is the preferred aggregate for a French drain? 1.5 round rock. I prefer round rock over crushed. So do all the true professionals, because crushed compacts and you don't have the same size voids as you do with round rock. So you're looking at 1.5 round rock that we purchased. It's cobblestone, just shoreline stone. I'll use 1 to 3 inch round rock. That's fine too. So we like to stay, in that 1.5, 2 inch range, and we get great drainage. A lot of people are calling me saying, hey, I can't get round rock, but I can get crushed. So be careful. Like, this is 1 to 3 crushed limestone. It's real dense. It works great for drains. I'll tell you what, French drain running on 1.5 or 1 to 3 limestone, you can't even believe the amount of water that moves. But here's the concern. So when this stuff rides in a rail car, when this stuff rides from the UP, yes, believe it or not, this stuff came from the UP, down to the lower peninsula, in the hull of a giant ship, just from the waves moving the boat around, through the rail car, getting it to the ship, you end up with a lot of limestone chips. I mean, there's so many chips in this. So here's my concern when you're dealing with something like this. I'm not going to shun this product because it drains too damn good. A good crushed dense stone, 1.5 and up, screams. But I do want to see people using the High Octane with a sock. Over there, that's High Octane without a sock. So you want a sock because you're going to have a burrito wrapped system. You're going to burrito wrap it so that you don't get dirt mixed in with, say, your crushed aggregate, whatever it is you have locally available to you. Now, the sock is going to protect you from all this dense material. Now, some of this dense material, believe it or not, will potentially plug perforated pipe, or at least some of the inlets. So there's a lot of fines in here. You can see it, of all different sizes. Now, this is kind of excessive. If you see something like this, you need a sock. I'm just trying to clear it up when you use a sock, when you don't. Now, if you don't have these heavy fines, these are heavy fines. That's limestone, pure limestone. That's a heavy fine. If you don't have these heavy fines inside your burrito wrap system, well, then just buying High Octane with a sock is kind of redundant. You don't really, need to catch anything. So this is just to catch all those fines so they don't plug your inlets. And yes, there is High Octane in that sock. So it's pretty cool. I mean, just another place that the contractors are using this. And hey, if you just want to burrito wrap it, just buy it without the sock. All right, everybody. Let's just all work really hard to do it right the first time. And until that next video.